In this video, I'm going to show you the exact landing page I created for this e-commerce brand named SnugMellow that literally 2x their sales within 7 days. And I helped them do all of that without spending more on ads. All I did was build them a page that converted more traffic into paying customers. So if you want to do the same for your e-commerce business, you're definitely going to want to stick around and watch this video because I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get that result. So let's get right into it. So this landing page I did was for an e-commerce brand named SnugMellow, which sells t-shirts that have a variety of different sensory fidgets for children. It's meant to make kids feel more calm and blissful. And before working with me, they were only converting about 1 to 2% of their traffic. And the reason they were struggling to convert their traffic into actual paying customers is because lack of reviews, lack of benefit-focused copy, and videos were not prevalent on the page, nor were they optimized for speed. And I'm going to show you exactly how I created them a new page that doubled their conversions within 1 week. So when I was designing this landing page, I focused on improving 4 main things. And the first thing I focused on was using benefit-focused copy. A huge mistake I see a ton of e-commerce brands make is the copy is so bland, doesn't focus on the benefits, it's just features, and it does not speak to any of their pains. The copy may sound good in a salesy kind of way, it really doesn't get into the deep pains and desires that the customer really wants and the transformation these customers want for their kids. If you want people to actually buy your product, you need to speak their language and make sure you're selling the benefits that your product brings them and the transformation it will provide them once they use your product. So when building this page, I focus on showing the benefits as much as possible. For example, I added main benefits directly below the add to cart button and also added an entire section that is just all about the benefits of that product. So things like how it's non-disruptive or that it's an all-in-one solution to keeping your kid occupied with one convenient tool. This is the type of copy that really speaks to people and gets them to the point where they actually want to buy. But you need more than that to convert the customer, which leads me to my next point. You need to be showing off as much social proof as possible. Most e-com brand owners think they know how important social proof is, but I promise you, it's more important than you think. Social proof is 80% of the reason why people actually buy from you. It gets them to trust you, your company, your brand, and your product that it will actually work for them. So you need to show it off as much as possible. When designing this page, I added a huge review section near the top of the page so the traffic will immediately be met with good things people are saying about the product. Having benefit-driven copy is one thing, but having real customer reviews that show how much people love the product is essential if you want to convert traffic. So I recommend putting reviews as often and as much as possible on your page. The 2 best places to put them is in the hero section, probably around the CTAs, show some review stars, and right after the hero, so it minimizes the time people will question your product and whether they trust it or not. I promise you, if you just do those 2 things alone, you will see a huge increase in your conversions. But another thing I think is essential to any good e-com website is a well thought out CTA or call to action. Most e-com brands have boring call to actions that do not speak to their customers. Things like buy now, add to cart, get this product now, etc. Just like benefit focused copy, you need CTAs that speak directly to the customer and speak their language. It needs to speak to their specific needs and desires. Here, for example, instead of just saying add to cart, I use the call to action feel bliss now. Since the product is based around giving a solution for parents who have energetic children and are looking for bliss, this speaks to them. When they see that they can feel bliss now, it just incentivizes them more to purchase the product and get that desired result for their children. Now, the final thing I really focused on when creating this page is an optimized mobile design. Whether you like it or not, most web traffic is mobile. It's actually 80% or more. So you need to make sure your website is optimized mobile first. So what exactly do you need to have to make sure your site is mobile friendly? There are 2 main things. First, you need to make sure that all your text and images are formatted properly so they look nice and clean on a mobile screen. If you don't do this, your site will look terrible. So just make sure everything fits nice. And second, your site needs to have touch-friendly navigation. Make it so that you can easily scroll and navigate through the site on mobile, or they're just going to click off. Overall, you just need to make sure that any mobile users are having a good experience on your page. If you don't think about this, you're literally just going to be throwing away money and potential customers. So make sure your site is mobile optimized. So after designing this new page for SnugMellow, they literally doubled their conversions within 7 days.
I worked with Alex for about 1 month. He created a landing page for our website using Replo. I'm really satisfied that we chose him. We also uploaded our activity lately, and all the work that he did, it's help to our business.
And you can do the same if you just implement everything I talked about in this video. But if you're an e-com brand owner who wants to build a website that will actually convert 5% or more, I work one-on-one with e-commerce brands to build them high converting landing pages, product pages, collection pages that will turn more traffic into paying customers. I've worked with over 15 e-commerce brands and I've helped them double their sales without spending a dime more on ads. So if you'd be interested in learning more about how I can help you get the same result, book a free consultation call in the first link in the description. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.